scary economic data to scary hacking news. The mob could be after your health insurance data. Legal experts say cyber attacks by organized crime are on the rise. They're looking to sell your electronic health records on the black market. Our Megan Hughes is in Washington. So, Megan, what can hospitals and doctors do, and what are they doing to try and protect this data?
Well, and number one, they're buying insurance, Julia. Several hospitals that we found out about, including the Cleveland Clinic, are looking into doing just that. Who's selling the insurance? AIG and Chubb. They're actually offering cybersecurity policies to healthcare organizations so that if a hack happens, those companies would go in, help cover the costs, whether that means notifying patients, paying government fines, and costs in lawsuits, which legal experts say you can expect a lot more of because, number one, the healthcare industry has never been good at IT security, and number two, there have actually been recent cases where insurance information has been stolen and used by other patients for costly procedures, so that data has value.
The difference now is in the health area is that this information is valuable in the black market, and so it's worth the time of others to hack into the systems and steal it. And again, for the first time ever, the capability is there. We've never in the history of medicine been able to breach the privacy of millions of individuals simultaneously.
And it's already happening. Data breach incidents over the past 2 years have cost hospitals $12 billion. In that time, about a third of hospitals had more than 5 hacks. Government numbers show that in about a year and a half, almost 11 million people experienced some kind of data breach tied to their healthcare providers. Now, we know it's already happening, but experts say you can expect it happening a lot more as we transition to more and more electronic health records. As of last year, only about 30% of primary care doctors, 15% of acute care hospitals had basic electronic health records. But President Obama has introduced incentive programs through the stimulus plan that may eventually total more than $27 billion for hospitals to adopt these. So a lot more hospitals are going to be getting on board. And as we're seeing more of that, experts say we may see more and more hacks. And of course, that hack insurance market is expected to grow. Julie.
So, Megan, can you tell us anything more about these insurance policies?
Sure. First, let's talk about the cost. $10,000 to $25,000 per about $1 million of coverage. And it's also worth pointing out it isn't just hospitals and doctors that are buying this insurance, but also health insurers that are getting into the game. As I mentioned, a lot of this insurance information is valuable on the internet, on the black market. So we know Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield, for example, of New Jersey, actually bought into coverage after a stolen laptop a few years ago that may have actually resulted in some breaches.